Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will continue that Java 8 stream coding interview question series. Okay, so in previous video we have discussed these two questions which are related to the filter operation in the stream. So today we will again discuss another frequently asked coding question where we would be exploring the map, the collectors dot to map operation. Okay, so this particular question is also very frequently asked in the interview. So the question is convert the input list of employee object to map of employees object. Okay, where the key will be employee id and the value will be employee name. So suppose we have this employee list, right, where each employees have these five fields there. So we need to convert to a map of employee objects. So basically in the map, right, the key will be employee id. Okay, that is the integer, and value will be employee name, so basically string. Okay, so we need some map. Okay, where the map structure will be like this. So each of the entries will contain like this: the key will be one, okay, and the value will be the name part. Okay, similarly the second entry will be like this: 2 and then the corresponding name. Okay, so these are each of you know these are the entry sets in the map. Each entry set contains map key and value. Okay, so this is how we need to convert like the list of employees to a map of employees. Then 3 and the corresponding value will be the name, like that. Okay, so this is what we have to do here. So how we can achieve this using the stream operation, right? So what we have to do, we have to first use this list dot stream dot collectors dot collect, then collectors dot to map. Okay, because we need to convert, I mean the output will be a map. So here we need to use collectors dot to map. Now you see in the to map we have to give two arguments. We need to pass two arguments. So the first argument will be employee id. Okay, so you can give like this: e dot get id. And similarly, so we need to pass two lambda expressions: e dot get name. Okay, so since we have to convert this input list to a map, okay, so we need to use collectors dot to map, and then to map we need to mention what will be the key of the map and what will be the value of the map. Okay, suppose if in the question they would have asked that the id will be employee id and the value will be the employee object, I mean the whole employee object, then we had to write something like this: e. Okay, or we need to provide lambda expression, so you can write something like this. So then the key would have been the employee id and the corresponding whole object, but here we want employee dot name, right? So this is the map. Okay, So now let's store the result of this stream operation into a map so that we can see the output map values. Okay, now let's print it. Right. Let's run the program. So you see the program is working as expected. So we have the ID and the name. Okay, you see. So suppose you wanted that the key will be employee ID and the value will be the employee object itself. So you could have given something like this. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, I need to change the return type here also to employee because the value will be an employee object, right? So see, now if I run this program, you see the map is the key is one. Okay, I mean the ID and the value is the whole employee object. Okay, similarly 2 and the value is whole employee. So depending on the question you can play with it and you know return the output. So this toMap collectors.toMap is also very important from the interview perspective. So that's the reason I covered this question also. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you.